Hi everyone, it's Heidi, and it's been a while since I've done a tip video for you, so I thought I would share one today. What I was thinking of is that a lot of times people like to take baths. I don't, but some people do, and we don't take the time for it, and we end up getting busy and all that kind of thing. So in come foot soaks. And there's a good way to do an essential oil foot soak. So this is something easy you can do while you're sitting there watching TV. Just soak your feet. It'll give you a lot of relaxation, but you don't have to do the whole bath thing and all that. So the way you do it is you just take some Epsom salt. You can take some fancy Epsom salt. You can take just the general stuff. You do half Epsom salt, half baking soda, and usually I add even more Epsom salt than baking soda. And then you use about 5 to 10 drops of essential oil, depending on how much you have. If you have a big bowl, then you're going to add more oil. What I do is you can put it in a little, any kind of jar that you have, and then you could do a couple tablespoons in a tub of water, make it nice and warm, and just store it in a container. You can make up a big batch and then just add a little bit each time that you want to do it, instead of feeling like you have to take everything back out again each time. This way you just have it and you can just stick it in there, and it's very convenient for you. So I hope that was helpful. Some of the oils that you could put into a foot soak, instead of, and you could use this for a bath too if you wanted to do a foot soak one time and put it in your bath another time. This is just fine. You could use things like peace and calming, stress away, grounding, release. There are just tons of oils that you can use, a lot of the emotion oils or anything like that, just anything that kind of strikes you that you feel like using at the time. And like I said, you can make it up ahead of time. So I hope that was a good tip, and let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.